standard T5V series pump made up of 2 swash plate piston pumps and installed with a pilot gear pump to control oil pressure. For power shift proportion solenoid installed on the middle body. 2 pumps are respectively equipped with regulators to adjust displacement. The 2 pumps are respectively composed of the following components: drive shaft, swash plate, swash, set plate, piston shoe, shoe plate, ball guide, pre-compress spring, cylinder block, valve plate, regulator, serve piston, flow adjustment bolts, bearings and seals. Except drive shaft and valve plate, other components of the 2 pumps are interchangeable. 2 pumps are bolted to the intermediate, and synchronized rotation is achieved through the coupling on the intermediate. An electronic proportional solenoid with relief valve block is installed for both pumps share and their respective one-way check valve.